Brigantina of Pop News and News Central.
Hello, magandang hapon po. Kay Wesley and Mike. Mike, were you able to meet yung expectations in terms of acting, yung general result ng movie? Or nag-exceed ba yung expectations na hinahanap sa movie?
Okay, well, I would say that the expectations were met. We were able to come up with a really good film in terms of action and what we were able to create with the Koreans in terms of partnerships. Because this is not going to be just the first. We're really looking at several Korean projects that we're going to be shooting here, which we can talk about later. So that's the main expectation on my end as an executive for the studio. Yeah, so we definitely have more projects coming in, like with Korean stars, maybe next year.
I think the production is really, for me, was really an adventure. And as to what you would expect when something new happens, is you really don't know what will come, except that you'll be open to the opportunities. And so, yeah, the fruits of this movie aren't just the movie itself, but like partnerships with and co-productions with other countries. So I really feel like we're at this point in time where global situation of production is shifting, and the Philippines is really well positioned to capture a lot of that. Create more and more intellectual property coming out from the Philippines. To have more voices and more directors, more producers come out and really just create, and have their place on the global stage.
Congratulations. And then kay Eric and Wilbert, konting kwento without spoiling any yung mangyayari. Sa kayo nahirapan or nag-enjoy sa role niyo dito sa The Guardian? Any scene or any moment na talagang memorable para sa inyo? Without
Daming memorable.
Favorite action scene mo na lang.
Favorite action scene, yung sa kotse po, may parang kalaban po ako mga 6 po, 8 atang tao, sabay-sabay po yun. So, ang angas ko po dun.
Sobrang angas.
Kasi ang angas po dun.
Ako naman, I was just being myself this whole time. I remember when you asked me how much of Coco is me. I said, that's me. Just off-screen, the non-showbiz persona, just the wacky, comedic vibe. Yeah. Just staying natural.
Thank you. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was Bobby Brigantina of Pop News and News Central. Up next, we have Naz Tabares of Pelikula Mania.
Hello, sa producers natin, pwede pakikwento who contacted, paano siya nagsimula yung kwento, like paano nagkaroon yung casting din ng Korean and Filipino.
So initially, we invited these Korean. Actually, nagsimula yun sa golf game eh. Yan, I was playing golf with like a friend of mine, and then I was talking about what we were doing and earned RoboSheet for virtual production, like those LED balls. And so he mentioned that he had some Korean filmmaker friends who would be interested to go and talk to us. So when they came over to the Philippines, they presented the idea for the script, and they proposed that why don't we do a full-on co-production instead of just like a line production job where Koreans go here, they pay us to shoot something for them. We work on something together, and I really like the idea of that. Being able to step on the Korean stage as Filipinos. I wanted to bring honor to Filipino filmmakers and show and open the door. I haven't really heard or met any other Filipino filmmakers right now who's done a full-on co-production with a Korean production company. So we wanted to explore that, and so siguro it took 6 months of negotiation and going through script rewrites, and siguro we went through like maybe 7 drafts of the script until we finally came on an agreement with what the final script is going to be. You wanna chime in?
Nagkaroon mo ba ng support from the government?
So Well, we were able to, ask sa mga locations, we had to ask for yung mga some tulong. I don't want to say anything negative. Yeah. But yun nga, sometimes kasi minsan yung mga government people pa yung nagpapahirap. Yeah. Which is kind of sad. But some LGUs naman were very, very helpful. Yeah. So that, I think it really depends on where, siguro which area, and siguro sa how willing the people would be to help. Kasi yung isang experience namin nung sa simula is, international production, may pera yan. Yung naisip. So we had to change locations because of that, because they were trying to force us to cough up more money for permits. I'm not gonna say which LGU. And so nung paglipat namin, very supportive naman yung sa kabila. So we're very happy to work with Quezon City actually, for this. And
I will say in general, it's a work in progress. I also advocate kasi for government to provide more support for the filmmakers and to be very positive about it. Things are changing. They're more aware now of what the community needs. They're at least trying to dialogue with filmmakers more now. I won't say it's a perfect system right now, but
it's definitely a work in progress.
But I think like, as to what Wes said, they are starting to be they are starting to show more support for productions like this.
Kay Wilbert and kay Eric, anong reaction nyo na i-release siya worldwide?
Ngayon lang namin nabalitaan yun.
Ngayon lang po namin nalaman na worldwide pala siya. So, surprising and happy po syempre. Surprise. So, happy po at saka syempre parang ilang ko ba itong pangalawa ko pa lang po ata. Yung una yung nocturno, tapos pangalawa po ito. So, big thing for me.
Parang saying bucket list is an understatement. It's such a dream to have as an actor, to have your face seen by the whole world is such an accomplishment. And we're just grateful for Parallax and Viva for the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you. That was Nes Tabares of Pelikula Mania. Up next, we have Jomar Joman of World of Joms.
So hi, for the actors, Eric and Wilbert. So my question is, I heard kasi nagkaroon din ng audition. So how was your experience during the auditions? Tapos, paano yung nalaman that you landed the role?
Tinawag po sana tayo na parang ako na daw po dun sa parang kalaban po ng bida. First ko din po ata yung na villain role. Ito pa ata yung first ko na villain role. So, tingnan lang po kung mukha pa ako nakakatakot. Hindi mo sure. Pero yun po, sinabi po sa akin kasi nung sa audition po kasi sinabi na sa akin na hindi ko nakuha yung role na isa. So parang, okay, tinanggap ko na. So bigla na lang ako tinawagan na, I got the role sa ibang So yun po.
That worked out pretty good. For me, I found out when I was in Hong Kong with my mom's birthday. Tinawagan niya ako, tapos broke down the news. Nag-gym ako, sumiiyak na, oh, I got the part! And I was just so happy. The audition process naman, I just gave everything. I just gave my best. Like, lahat ng ginawang training ko, lahat ng workshops, lahat ng past projects, parang it all boiled down to that moment. So I just gave my best. Aside from na nagpasa kami ng video, nag-audition kami live in front of the Koreans, all the producers. So every big name in Vivo was there to audition. And yeah, the rest is history.
Ito may ginawa mong video.
Because I direct, if I'm not in front of the camera, I'm behind. I direct, I produce also. I have a video production also with our friends. So lahat ng projects ko.
Ano ko lang, yung sinend ko po kasi naka-selfie lang. Arte-arte lang sa camera. Sana yung mga sinend ko?
Yung sinend ko, buong short film.
Naka-full prod siya. Kasi naman, may mga extras, may lahat.
Tapos yung script na pinadala to say it, diba usually self-audition tape, nagtawag talaga ako ng production, guys, we're shooting a film tonight. Yung kung ano yung nasa script, ginawa kong pelikula talaga with full editing, as in full production. Pero they didn't get to watch it actually. They watched it after the live audition. So parang natuwa din ako na they liked me first live.
It was the first scene, right? That you, which one was the audition tape? I'm trying to remember. Yeah, was it the first scene that you?
Madaming improv pinagawa din
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
spot. Like si Yasi had to
Yeah,
cry.
she had to cry. Like she had to
They
act
were
out the
really
entire scene. Like
checking our range within that span of short audition. Medyo nakakakaba. It's not like our normal VTR na talagang you could read the room that the energy was really high.
Ayun, follow-up question kay Wilbert. Sinabi mo kasi first time mo maging kalaban. How was it na maging kalaban? Masaya ba maging kalaban?
Bago po sa akin maging kalaban, bago po sa akin yung role na parang cool. Tanga-tanga po kasi lagi yung nabibigay sa akin. So, bago po sa akin yung lagi gano'n lang, yung hindi masyadong wala, parang hindi pa, yung ngiti ko po, walang bilang lang po yung ngiti doon, tapos parang ano pa, sarcastic ngiti pa. So, sobrang ibang-iba po yung Wilbert na makikita dito.
isang beses ka lang yata ngumiti dun eh.
Yeah, I think. Yung ano, yung parang throwback ata.
Yung throwback lang.
So yun pa.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.